Hello everyone!
Hi.
It's already a middle of the summer and we are ready to start our weekly AMA sessions. Please meet Anton
And Michael.
and here we go.
And today, first news. We decided that first part will be about news and second, frequently answers. And first, the FIFA is over, and perhaps someone is a bit sad to get back to usual life. And it was a fun month. And congratulations to France on winning the championship. And it's a really good time.
But don't be worried, soon it's gonna be a new European Championship and some teams, like most attractive teams for you, are already trying to get in and get on board. So it's pretty football time that doesn't end and continues and continues. So the next news.
Yes.
Is that a tech giant Oracle launches blockchain cloud service platform, and many global companies has already jumped abroad. And this sounds like a pretty good news, because when such a huge companies accepts the technology that does allow to make all these opportunities and all those features alive, it makes sense. It gives a lot of things, and hopefully help to spread a word about it everywhere. I mean, it matters.
Yeah, absolutely. And the next news, MasterCard has been granted a patent that grants its rights for a new method for managing fractional reserves of blockchain industry. And with MasterCard latest grants, we are getting closer to using cryptocurrency credit cards to purchase goods.
Mm-hmm.
And this means that you as a user, you will have two linked accounts. First, it's for fiat wealth, and second one for cryptocurrency. And it's great opportunity to cryptocurrencies, to blockchain world, to decentralized world, because more people will use cryptocurrencies. Yeah, it's great news.
Sounds good. And the good news for UK citizens, because up to the Guardian report from the 16th of July, UK, from governmental, from technological, from some different standpoints, is to become a leader by 2022 in crypto and blockchain technology market. So this market has the huge potential and the capacity to become a leader in this field. So what we can say is to wish good luck and wait unless 2022 arrives, and we'll see if Guardian is right or not. So that's pretty interesting.
Yeah, great, yes. And also news about Aworker. One of the it's important news of this week. We decided to upgrade Aworker project by broadening its features.
Mm-hmm.
And in other words, we want to create a united standard in verified information where about people, in to make it easier for everyone to prove their identity, to prove their work history, work experience, education, make payments, and prove their reputation, where everyone can shows what he or she really worth. And it will build an open, distributed data layer, shared data layer, and to promote transparency and collaboration. Open data also will have a position impact on the connection with other decentralized applications. And to update information, to get information, to use information. And you can learn more about Aworker protocol on our website, aworker.io. It's a really, I think, great opportunity for Aworker and great thing for other people to use to control information in one place from different applications.
Mm-hmm.
And also to control, to own the information, to exchange the information, to get money to get tokens for the information if companies want to buy their personal data.
So this is due to our previous sessions, including Emma, not only Emma, when we were saying that we're trying to keep updated Aworker with any business and users related things, and the protocol, from the protocol standpoint, we're trying to follow the best practices within the world businesses, within the world startups, and we met with a lot of people. We talked to many business angels and so many different blockchain members. So this is to be a good feature and a great advantage for the Aworker and for the all users among our community. So this is, we are really happy to announce about this news.
Yeah. Nicola wrote, "Good afternoon, guys." Hello, Nicola.
Hello, Nicola. So the next news is about our postings, and as well we are trying to keep updated you with our job postings at Aworker literally every single week. And what we are doing is we are trying to post the coolest positions that are posted on Aworker. And top job listings of this week is in Yula, based in Moscow, Russia. Apply for a position and recommend your qualified friend. As usual, app.aworker.io or directly use aworker.pro and then just sign up or sign in if you're already registered, and find out something interesting for your community, because there are a lot of jobs and more jobs are to come.
Yeah.
It's your turn?
Yeah. And I want to say about articles, that an article, New Wave of Recruitment Scams, was published at the tech portal Decentralized Today. And it's about the fraud scams, how scammers use Instagram, and also they use Nike brand, and people's love to this brand. And you can know more about it in this article. Also an article where to find the best candidates if traditional methods are not working anymore, was published in tech portal Queb. And you can read full text online, and I hope that it will help for you.
Moreover, the article titled 5 Powerful Ways Blockchain Technology Will Impact HR in 2018 was published at Technology Magazine Cyberblog, and it's about Aworker project. Good news.
Yeah, good news. And what's more, we keep receiving a lot of Twitter arts. My articles were featured in the online medias, and video reviews were published in several ICO listings. And thank you for supporting the Aworker. Thank you so much, and we really appreciate it. And we will keep working hard to make the great product, the great results.
Jack is saying, how are you both? Then how many jobs do you now have available on your platform? And I find many good articles on Medium referring to Aworker.
Yeah.
So we're doing great. Thanks for asking, Jack. The second question, it's about 60 job postings more or less at the platform, because the amount is increasing and we cannot hardly sometimes give you an idea of how many jobs they are, because literally every week we are increasing with this amount. And thanks for your feedback because we are so encouraged to see Aworker presence and information about Aworker articles, feedbacks, YouTube, many different channels that we're receiving news about Aworker.
Yeah, and Sean wrote hello, love your project and idea. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Have your like within the comment section. What types of industries of jobs will be available? So, to begin with the industry and to begin with with a bunch of jobs that are available at Aworker, we start from IT sessions. We start from blockchain, IT, and all related to this area job postings, as well as marketing, digital, and we are trying to put from on one hand the most complicated and the most attractive jobs that could be interesting for you, for the references, for all participants. From one side, from another side, we're trying to put the most interesting jobs in terms of popularity and in terms of feeling and understanding of these people. So IT guy is more about to understand how blockchain and references work together than some kind of finance or another area. So we are of course increasing, and we are about to increase Aworker in the potential future. But first, we are trying to keep IT and all related to the sphere jobs.
Yeah, Pablo also asked us, hi guys, can you tell me what Aworker pay is, please? It's your favorite question, I think.
Really? Yeah. I would need you an answer to you.
Yeah. First, job candidates, user can get tokens for recommendations. If he or she recommends their acquaintance or friend to open position, he or she gets tokens after when position is closed. When everyone will be hired, all users who recommend their friends get tokens. It's first. Second, for proven skills. If you add skill, prove it, and after it you can get work tokens if you see any advertising for your skills. It's second. Also, you can recommend. You can. It is futures. Future in we will add this feature in autumn when you can see advertising and get tokens for it if you want to see this advertising.
Thank you, Anton. Yeah. The next question from Sean. Can you please explain how a person attains the status of a verified Aworker when doing referrals again? So, this is a special architecture and a special mechanism that allows you to build up your reputation, and after conflict we cannot tell you because it is more about the internal infrastructure, but the more referrals, the more people you're giving to companies, the more people are attending the interviews and more people are moving forward to the next steps, including offering and offer accepting, the higher chances there is for you to become an Aworker, because there is so many different outcomes that can bring you to this role. So this would be absolutely a different video and our session about how to achieve this status, but at the moment you just need to think about the one question is how to sign up faster and go through all the jobs that are posted already at Aworker and start referring and start giving references to the open jobs to companies. So this is that's it.
Yeah. Thank you. And Carol asked us, is there any platform architecture outlined other than general words? So far, nothing concrete. Yes, we have. Kirill, you can go to the aworker.pro, and sign up there. Its platform is available. You can use it. You can use it as a company and find employees to your company, or you can use it as a candidate and looking for a new job. Yeah, let's go to.
While we are waiting for next questions from all of you, we finally, more important news by the way, we finally choose the winner of our giveaway that was held in Facebook, and we received many questions about the giveaway, when it is to be ended, who is to be the winner, and so on and so on. And finally we did it, and you can find the name of the winner on our Facebook page. This is we decided to keep it in a secret unless you see by yourself. Last but not the least, also I will hold a webinar today in a couple of minutes. Today in 30 minutes. In 40 minutes, sorry. And don't miss a chance to be online with me, and I'm gonna express the topic is how to be referred, or 10 topics is how to be attractive to be referred for the open jobs. We're gonna go through the main and major themes that could help potentially you broaden yourself and broaden your profile to your friends, to your community. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's go to the most popular questions.
And the first is how Aworker DApp, decentralized application, and Aworker protocol will be connected.
Aworker DApp, decentralized application, is the first application within the platform, but it won't be the only one. We plan to attract developers who want to create application and to use our protocol and get verified information instead of gathering or checking it. And there are also will be Aworker Identity and Aworker Pay applications. You can learn more about these applications in the white paper. And
Kirill is saying, I'm an alpha, nothing new compared to standard sites. Next will be Sean question.
Kirill, you can recommend that you can get work tokens in alpha. For it, you must only recommend your friend. I mean, it's the front-end part as the same as in other application, in other decentralized application or in other application. But the architecture, you can get work tokens for your recommendations in alpha.
Sean is asking, how are the Aworker rewards broken down when someone is hired for a job? So there is a financial standpoint when we set a concrete amount of work tokens for the job postings, and then it is split in the following way. When someone is hired, 50% goes to the person that made a referral with success, let's say. Another 50% goes upfront, all the participants that were referring people, that were attending interviews, that also a commission of Aworker also included in this 50%. So the major thing that the winner, the successor, receives 50% of amount of Aworker. So just to explain, you can go to Aworker to the application and find out, for example, some kind of iOS developer, and then you can see that there is 120,000 word tokens. So the successor is going to receive 60,000 word tokens in case he recommends a person that is hired. That's a simple example.
Yeah. Sebi, hi.
Hello, Sebe.
And the next question, what's the discount during the sale right now?
The discount is 20%, so don't miss a chance, and you will learn and find out some new welcome bonuses and financial bonuses from us. This is to be posted.
Yeah. Therefore, we continue private sales until the official token sale, main token sale date. And I remind you that only verified members, only whitelist members can participate in private sale. And for it, you must to fill the whitelist form. And after verification, you can receive email with the link to access to private sale. Also, during the private sale, you can get different bonuses for different amounts of participation. And that's the main information about private sale.
As usual, we are going to develop the product and continue visiting all the tech conferences and doing all features available for you. As you can see from our AMA sessions, we're trying to keep you updated with everything that is happening. Hope you're enjoying our new session about the entire blockchain industry. That's, from our point, is pretty interesting and pretty attractive. So, next time, one more important news. That next time we're gonna have a special guest in our AMA sessions, let's say. You might know him, and you might have heard many information on him. Don't miss it. We're gonna absolutely inform you beforehand. We'll try to keep you updated when it is ready, because we're trying to set the time for both, like, to be convenient for everybody. Hope you enjoyed our session. We are ready for your questions after AMA. If you're not online, is it possible for me to register? Jack is asking, with you now and start using your platform? Of course, that's what we've been mentioning. Yeah. Just go either aworker.pro or directly to app.aworker.io. Then sign up. It's pretty simple. You can just need to fill in with your name, with your mail, and with your password, and then you start discovering the platform. In case of any question, please let us know. We're gonna help you out with everything that's related to the platform. Will Aworker Pablo is asking, will Aworker have any sort of union or dispute help center if it is needed for any problems with employer? It's also included in the philosophy of Aworker, and we're gonna try to make it very alive, because we're doing a decentralized platform. We're doing a decentralized platform for the community and using the community power. So it's not gonna be like, online service that allows you to call on and say that some employer is bad or good. It's gonna be a decentralized evaluation of concrete situations, and then this professional society, this professional community we'll be trying to resolve and to give an answer, and we consider adding something like that, so we will inform you later.
Yeah, I think that we can finish our MA session. Thank you for much for your questions.
And see you next time.
Yeah, stay tuned. Bye bye.
Bye bye.